So hi guys, again this is loading screen for your Fivem server, and it's very it's very easy. You don't need anything because it's so simple. So actually it will look like this, but of course we are going to teach you on how to modify it according to your needs. Okay, so let's download this one. I will drop a link in the description. You can copy that out onto your into your browser, and then we'll have to download that one. Okay, now let's wait. Then once it's downloaded, guys, we have to extract it using WinRAR. There you go. And inside of this folder, um, there is an index. Yep, there is an index inside. So you can open that one. Oh my god. This is not the one I just. Sorry about that, guys. So I'll delete that one because it's I just tested that one. This one. Okay, this one. So first up is you have to rename this. Okay. You just have to rename this one. You have to remove the screen, and we have to open the folder. And inside of the folder you will see an asset. Yep, there is an asset inside, and then there is a media folder. Now inside of the media folder, you will see a lot of this inside of the loading screen. Okay, this one you can open this onto your browser, or you can double click to open the index. So actually it will look like this on your loading screen, and I will tell you how to change this the logo, and this one. Okay, now first thing is let's start here. So we have to copy this one, and then we go back to our folder, and then we have to open it using Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you don't have this one, you can download it. You just have to search it into your browser and download it for your PC. It's so simple. Now when we're here, we have to control F and then paste, and there you go. You can change it according to your likings, like for example the bong YT, and there are three of them, so you just have to go to the next one. So let's try the bong YT, and then another one, this one. Let's have We're going to change it, the bong YT, and don't forget to save. And then we go back to our index, and then we have to reload the page. And as you can see, guys, it changed, and this one as well, right? So again, if you want to change this logo right here, a small logo here, you have to control F and search for this, and you will see this one right here. Yep, this one. You have to open this, and it will look like this. Okay, actually we can change that. All right, so first up, you open your Discord, just create your own server, and create something like this, and paste the image. Okay, now like for example this one, let's look for the bong. Yep, my logo, this one. So I want this one. I just have to paste it here and then enter, and I will copy this one. Sorry, copy link. Okay, copy link. Now go here and remove this one and save. Now go back to your browser and reload the page. And as you can see, guys, my logo is already here. And the next thing is this one, or this one. Okay, now let's start here. Welcome. So you just have to copy the words and go here and Control F and Control V, and it will, it will show up if there is a matches. So you can change this one. So the bong, let's say the bong YT tutorial on 5M development. You can make it longer. Subscribe for more videos like these. That's it. I will save this one and I will go back here and to check this one is, updating, it's not the same with the old one. And the next one is the logo. Yes, the logo. So we look for to make sure I will go I will open the folder. So let's let's go to the resources and we go to the asset media and this one. You just have to rename this one and copy the text. Then again, paste it here and there you go. So by this time I will use my own, my own picture. Okay, where is it again? It's in the picture. And right, this one. So I will copy this one and I will paste it here. Okay, now rename this one. You just have to click for the properties and then look for rename and copy the file name. Once that's done, you have to delete this one and control F2 to rename and then control V. And this is it. Now this one, I don't know, I think they do have some problem with this loading screen, but that's okay. So I will, again, I will then again rename this one. Right. Rename this one, copy the actually we're using the same file name, yeah? Yes, we're using the same file name, but it's not the same type yet because the one that is in the default is the GIP, right? So we're going to change it with PNG, okay? PNG. And then don't forget to always save that one, okay? Then refresh. All right, so you can see, guys, it's updating. It's all mine now, and then the next thing we're going to do next is we're going to change you know the video. Yep, we can change the video. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to the video. This one is the video. Actually, the size of this is 7.8 MB, so I prepare the same size with the same video because it will take some time to download. So let's try take some samples. So let's try this one. It's 10.8. So I think this is good one. I will open this one for you guys. Actually, it's just an overlay. This one. So I will copy this and I will go back to the script again and then paste it here. And this time you just have to rename this and copy the file name, and I will delete that one and rename this one into this one. Okay, it's just like you're changing it, you're replacing the old one but with the same file name. Okay, now when you go back to the browser, you just have to refresh and it will automatically change it like this. It's kind of magic, you know? So again, anything that you want to change is all inside of this index. You just have to search it, like for example, social media. There you go. You can add your social media if you want. And of course, the stuff that you want, you can replace this according to your needs. Okay, to make the video much shorter, I will not, teach you about this. But if you have a problem, you can comment down below. And let's go with the installation, and we're going to check if this changes will actually work on our Fivem server. So actually, I forgot the music, this one. So what you're going to do is you have to select for a music that you need. Like for example, this one. So this is the music, which is the background music I downloaded from the YouTube. All right. Yep, this one. So I will copy this one and I will go back to the scripts. All right, this one. So I will paste it here and I will copy this one. Sorry, I will rename this one using F2 and I will copy the name, and don't forget to delete this one first and rename this one and paste it there. There you go. It's so simple, you know? You just have to be curious. So then we're going to copy. I think we're done. Actually, guys, an advice for you if you're wondering why there is no music here, because it's just a preview using the Chrome. So it will not play the music, okay? Now let's go to our Fivem server. We go to Qbox folder. Actually, that's the Fivem server location of mine. I will go to the resources, and the loading screen here is located at the standalone. But if you're using different, like for example, you're using ESX, you just have to look for, or you have to search for loading, or ESX loading or something like that. But in Qbox, the file name is not the same with other framework, because they change it to load screen. So this one, I will make a copy of this one. So I will archive this one and I will then delete this. Now we're going to paste the new one. And here we go. There you go. Now, when you already run your Fivem console, you can go to your browser and look for localhost 4120, and then you have to restart the server. Okay. So actually, we're using a local server for testing only. Okay. And there you go, guys. To check it, you can Control F and search for loading. There you go. So Fivem Loading Screen, which is the file name of the script. Sorry about that. You go down to the lower bottom. There you go. So next is we have to open our Fivem Fivem application, and then we're going to test it if it works. Okay. Now, guys, this is an edited video. It's a direct or something like, or it's kind of live, I will not edit it. I will upload it automatically on YouTube. Okay, note, guys. I think it's working properly. Now, guys, if you do have some problem with your your loading script, you can comment down below, and then we do have a Discord in the description. You can join to our Discord because I do have a lot of scripts that are free that you can use for your 5M development. Okay, now I'm sorry about my English because I know I'm grammatically wrong, or I can't pronounce it correctly, but I'm just trying my best. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and I think you can customize your loading screen now. Okay, bye bye.